The first major winter storm of the year, well, it is just about here. Winter storm warning is now in effect. Ahead of this storm, widespread 1 to 4 feet of snow,
light snow
above about 4,000 feet in
down.
elevation. Wind gusts likely over 50 miles per hour for most of this event. And just the amount of snow that we're going to see combined with that blowing snow means travel may be impossible at times through the Sierra over the next few days.
This is our night. So it looks pretty gnarly out there. Yeah, we might go for a walk. It's kind of cold out, so I want to stay inside. The mountains are slowly disappearing. Can't really see them anymore. Clouds are coming in. Well, it's starting to rain. Yeah, it's wet snow. So I'm gonna go inside, cook some dinner, and hopefully we don't get too wet in here. It's a chilly morning. We got some snow last night. The sun's rising. Hudson likes the snow. Yeah, it was pretty cold. It's starting to feel like winter for me. I'm gonna start the wood stove pretty soon here. The first burn in the wilderness is yet to come. And that's it, we're just gonna let it burn for a while. It's gonna let some of those metals come out. So these new kind of elbows right there are brand new, so it smells like metal in here. So I'm not going to spend too much time in here, but looks like the fire's going pretty well, and we're just going to let it burn for a few hours. Stoked on this. This is sick. We're just taking our morning walk. Got the stove out there burning in the distance. We're not going too far away. Just a beautiful sunrise. Just a beautiful day. I expected a gnarlier storm last night. I slept great. It wasn't windy. It didn't snow very much. I expected to wake up drenched in water. The stove's been burning for over an hour now. So I've had this thermometer kind of right above it. It's reading about 115. Got a nice bed of coals in there. A nice bed of coals. It's still really warm. Okay, to celebrate the first burn, I'm gonna make some pancakes. I actually like to put a little bit of maple syrup on the pancake while it's cooking, so the syrup will actually caramelize a little bit. water is like boiling already. Might use that for a little shower this morning. Throw a little bit of syrup in here. That's gonna be it. Okay, so that's all it needs. I take it off, let it rest for a little bit. Okay. What a great way to start the day. A great first burn. This is exactly what I pictured. I'm able to sit here, got enough room for my head. You know, I just have to be careful, but I could sit here. It's really warm from the stove. And I could eat my breakfast. I got my tea. Got my tea from this morning. Let's see how this pancake tastes. Wow, it's hot. Super fluffy. Pancake. Fluffy. Delicious. That's good. I'm perfecting my pancake recipe. These are really good. I need some music for this video, so we'll see what I come up with. Hudson definitely likes to be here when it's cold. Like, I think he feels the warmth from the stove. He likes to sit near it. It's really cute. It's really cold outside. It's probably in the 20s right now. Last time I checked, it was like 55 degrees on that side of the trailer. On this side, it's like 100. It's really hot over here. Noodles are ready. All right, we are ready for dinner. So this board I use as a cutting board. It covers up my sink. It gives me more surface area. It actually works really well to eat on. This is hot. Nice. Here is the kind of the toppings. It looks so good. It smells so good. Oh yeah. This looks delicious. It smells so good. I'm just gonna add the noodles in kind of. I don't have a strainer. Just gonna kind of add these in. Looks really good.
The effect you have on others is the most valuable currency there is.